welcome to a very special episode on Prudent Media. Today, we're at the Beachfront Grill at Cidade, Goa, which is part of IHCL Taj Selections. Now, Selections is part of Taj's portfolio of hand-picked hotels and resorts across the country that celebrate a distinct characteristic, a unique legacy in time. Here at Cidade, it's a little Portuguese hamlet with a Mediterranean influence. Designed by world-renowned architect Charles Correa, the resort's colorful murals, checkered floors, balconies and tiled roofs take guests through a Portuguese Goan journey. Every corner has a story, every nook places to sit, and every evening is accentuated by live music. Today, we're here to indulge in some grilled deliciousness at this rustic, sea-facing restaurant. With us is Chef Bhaskar Kargeti, the executive chef of Cidade, Goa. Hello, Chef. It's so nice to have you with us today. Good evening. You've been with the Taj Group for 15 years.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about your long career?
Yeah, so I started with the Taj Group of Hotels back in 2006, and I was initially placed at the Taj Mahal, Mumbai. Then I got deputation. I went to Taj Dennis Island, Seychelles.
Okay.
So there I was there. So I had a short stint of 1 year. Then I moved to Taj Exotica Resort and Spa, Maldives.
Oh, wow.
I was there 5.5 years.
All of the islands.
Yes. And then later on, I was posted as the executive chef at Taj Exotica, Benolim in Goa. So that is South Goa.
Yes.
And again, Maldives called me and I went again for 2 years. So that is 2017 I came back and I got transferred now to Cidade, Goa, IHCL Selections.
I've been hoping to visit Maldives. So perhaps in the near
probably
future.
Probably you should, because one of the very pristine beaches, property is very nice and very lovely ambience. The seafood, the life, the lifestyle,
I've been dying to visit
diving.
Maldives. I think for the last 2 years I've been telling my husband
you should.
So tell us, Chef, can you tell us something about Cidade?
So you see, the Taj has come up in association with the Cidade Goa IHCL Selections from the 1st of April. So now Selections is a new brand. So Selections is basically a collection of hotels which have their own very unique identity. So like Cidade. So Cidade is a brand by itself. Cidade Goa is a brand by itself. So this is one of the first hotels which actually came into the bracket of the IHCL Selections. So it has its own character, it has its own identity, all repeat clientele,
it's like
guests.
Going back in time.
Yes. So that's how it has been associated, and I've been here with the Cidade Goa now for the last 7 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I believe you'll have a seasonal restaurant that runs from October, November to May.
So what we have, a seasonal restaurant, so which is actually barbecue where we are sitting now. So this normally is closed during the monsoons, and yes, because of the rains, because it's an open air dining. And we operated from October, 1st of October, and it closes by whenever the first showers. Normally it is by 31st of May.
Okay.
Yeah. In case it is a little prolonged, so we will open it more.
If the rains play nookie
so
like
8 months
doing.
is to be on a approximate side is what we run the restaurant.
So can you tell us, Chef, what is the specialty? What makes this restaurant so special?
So speaking about barbecue, this is one of our most signature restaurants that we have. As you see the setting and the openness and proximity to the sea, so it's an ideal setting when you come for family gatherings or as a couple or for some romantic evenings and dining. And along with that, to couple up, the concept is very simple. So as the name says, barbecue, so we put a display of the live catch and that we get on a daily basis, and we have the seafood displayed. and you can go and pick your own seafood. You can see your own lobsters, prawns, cuttlefish, and different varieties of seafood that we have. And you can choose, and the chef will cook it as per your liking.
So basically, you pick whatever you want:
Yes.
vegetarian, non-vegetarian,
Yeah, so
fresh
vegetarian-
seafood,
yes.
succulent meats.
Yes,
and then
and,
you also pick, the sauces or the marinade
Yes,
or that
exactly.
goes with it.
Yeah, so we can do a curry for you, we can do a grill for you, butterfly grill, we can do a tandoori preparation for you.
Okay.
And along with the seafood, also there is a huge selection of vegetarian and the non-vegetarian. So that is like meat. So you have good, because as the name says, barbecue. So it is a good selection of all the barbecue meats, and everything is done on the charcoal. So it is not on gas, it is actually char grilled. So it has the smoky flavor, the taste, the texture, what you exactly need into a
So
barbecue.
basically, it tantalizes all your senses, your
Yes,
sense of
yes.
smell and your taste and your palate and
Yeah.
everything.
And it is like, it is very, very popular with our guests, and we have a lot of footfalls in terms of the non-resident guests also, who are like very regular and come over here.
And it's a little intimate setting, so I guess, swaying palm trees, sound of the waves, and
The best
aroma.
music is
The waves.
The waves.
Yes, true.
As you can hear them now also.
And the aroma of the charcoal wafting through the air.
Exactly.
So what do you have for us today, Chef?
So can I show you the display that we have
yeah,
for
sure,
tonight?
of course. I think we can.
Yeah, please. So I'll show you what we have
Yes,
for
it
tonight.
looks delicious already.
Yeah. So this is what we have on the menu for tonight.
Okay.
Okay. So there's some nice red snapper, kingfishers, mullet.
Wow.
You see the pomfret, the size of the pomfret?
Oh, the
So
massive.
that's like, it's a kg pomfret. Then crabs, red snapper, prawns, jumbo lobsters, and we have the sea bass and the baby shark.
Baby shark.
Yeah. So
Seafood.
so how it works, since you were asking me about the concept. So now what we do, so you choose the selection, what you want to have. And you like seafood, right?
I love seafood.
Okay.
I'm gone.
So what I will suggest you to have one of the lobsters.
Oh, wow.
So one of the lobsters, so this you can
a
have.
massive guy.
Yeah. And probably I can also join you. And a couple of prawns.
Definitely. And then we go over to
Yeah.
the barbecue.
Yeah. So let me introduce you to the chef. The chef Ravinder is there.
Hello, Chef.
So he and his team, they manage the entire barbecue, and they run a very smoother operation and excellent food, and
Yes, I can see
guests
the
are raving.
grill's already hot and
Yeah, so those
smoking.
are the charcoal grills that I was mentioning, and plus we have the tandoor as well, where
Okay.
things will be prepared as per the selection of the
breads
guests,
and
and the
kebabs.
breads and the rumali roti also that we do.
Okay. Kebabs, do you have?
Yeah, kebabs also. So we have all the kebabs, meats, which is there, and we do on the char grill also. We do on the tandoor also.
Okay.
Both the ways.
So it all
And we
depends
have
on
like
how I want to eat it.
yes, and we have little accompaniments that go along with that.
The salads
like there is
and the
salad, there is the dal makhni
dips.
also, the
Okay.
naan, the breads.
Oh, all right. So it's a whole
even
meal in itself.
yes, it's a whole meal by itself. So chef, this is what ma'am wants. Okay, so do your signature recipe for the lobster and the prawns.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have dressing. So many variety of dressing. I have
Yes, I think we'll let Chef pick today.
Yeah. So what you can do, you will take spice.
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So you can do the medium spice lobster,
Yes, sir.
butterfly, and you can do the butterfly tiger prawns.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And along with that, you like to have corn as well. Some nice corn on the cob we have.
Yes, why not?
So maybe a couple of pieces of corn.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
So this is Chef Mahinder who will be doing the lobster and prawns for us. So chef, this one butterfly and that one also butterfly cut into half. So you can please do it and then pass it on to me and we'll have it grilled.
I can already smell the charcoal wafting through the air.
Yeah,
Are you
so
gonna put my lobster on now?
Yeah, so we have the lobster now. So a lobster as it is, we are doing in the light marination of a little chili and garlic.
Okay.
And the prawns I am doing into a mustard marination.
Yeah. I see you've also got some potatoes on the grill.
Yes, yes. So those are like jacket potatoes.
Are you going to
Here we go.
cream cheese?
Yeah, and some corn is also there. So side by side, we'll also do some rumalis also.
All right.
Okay, so that will go along with that. So chef, we can have the rumali ready. So this will give you a very nice smoky flavor, and the entire thing will be done onto the char grill itself. And it gets that special, very unique flavor because of this charcoal.
Something like a fresh catch on the lobster.
Yeah, exactly.
Lobster's catching a little color.
Yeah, actually, because the heat is so nice, it's like ideal when you do it. The juices are all intact inside, and when you do it, the texture comes out very nice from the outside, and inside it is very juicy. Rather than going onto the normal plates, we do it on the sizzlers.
Are these your seafood platters?
Yeah, so these are the seafood platters. So the lobster and prawns, they'll be served onto a sizzler plate, and it gives you a nice effect also in the evenings when you're seated. So nice, the plate comes hot, remains hot.
A little heat.
Yes.
We'll also serve mixed platters.
We serve mixed platters also, and even we have options for vegetarians also. So for vegetarians also, we do veg kebabs and all.
All right. So tandoor.
So tandoor
your
is,
jacket potato.
yes, tandoor, jacket potatoes, we do fruits, we do cottage cheese, Indian
All
cottage
of it
cheese,
on the grill.
broccoli. Yeah, so can be done likewise on the grill also, and can be done on the tandoor also.
What about pineapple, chef? There's nothing
Yes, yes,
better than
yes, pineapple
on the
also.
grill.
Even we also do brownies
Oh, wow.
onto sizzling
On the
plates.
grill.
Yes.
We have to see that someday.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are almost done. And the lobsters and prawns are ready.
Done. I see you've got a lot of sides as well.
Yes. So I can smell the aroma, I can get the aroma.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Corn on the cob.
So that's the corn that will accompany the lobster and prawns. The sizzlers are ready. Cabbage. Yeah.
It's plated.
So the idea is the food goes sizzling, goes hot, and remains nice.
The best way to eat it.
Yes.
Straight off the grill.
Yes.
Nice, hot and sizzling.
Yeah.
Lobster.
Yes. So that's the lobster. This one are the prawns.
Deliciously fresh prawns with corn on the cob.
Yeah, corn to accompany. Some vegetables.
Are those steamed vegetables?
Yeah, those are the grilled vegetables.
Okay.
So that will go along with that.
Do you serve it with any dip?
So there is a selection of sauces that will come along with that.
So basically you just pick what you like.
Yes.
Some micro holes,
Yes.
jacket potato.
Yeah, one more.
Is that chive?
So that's parsley.
Parsley. Oh, and my absolute favorite, some sour cream. Jacket potato and sour cream is a match made in heaven.
Actually, it's an ideal match. So these are also some of the greens that we grow here in house. You can see which are there.
So what would that be, chef?
So that is coriander that we have,
Okay.
and other one is the mustard.
And for the sizzle, yum. There we go. My food's ready. Oh wow, I can just smell that. Yum.
So this is the tandoori kebab platter. So it's the meat barbecue as we spoke.
Yes.
So the non-vegetarian selection which is there.
So what do you have in that?
So we got chicken, we got tandoori chicken, we got malai tikka, we got lamb, and we got lamb chops.
Oh, all kinds of meats.
So, yeah. So basically it is chicken and lamb.
Lamb. Okay.
Chicken and lamb.
It looks delicious, chef. I can't wait to dig in. So we're back and the food's ready and I can't wait to taste it.
So food chef will be sending out now. And I just want to ask, how was your experience?
I'm hungry already. I mean, there's nothing more tantalizing than the sound of fresh meat sizzling on the grill. So I can't wait.
Yeah. So we are good to go. And yeah, the food is on the way.
So this is the lobster
So that's the same lobster that
that we grilled. Yes.
that we grill along with the corn. The prawns must be coming also.
Oh, I can't eat all
Yeah,
that
you
by
can place it
myself,
there.
So,
So yeah, good. So can I help you with one piece of the prawn?
okay.
One of that?
Oh, yum.
Wow.
I think, chef, all of
Smells
this, and
nice.
you deserve a toast.
Yeah,
so
sure. Bon appetit as well.
Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Okay, let's taste.
Yeah.
It's so fresh, you can actually taste the seed. I can't stop eating, so I'm going to keep eating. And I hope you enjoyed that session with Chef Bhaskar here at Barbecue. So while we finish all of this here, you go on and watch Prudent Media. But don't forget to visit Barbecue at Cidade de Goa IHCL Selections and get some of this for yourself. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you
you.
so much for spending time with us here and for making all of this lovely food for us.
Thank you so much. And I hope you will be visiting more.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. Nice meeting you.